Joining me. Hi, this is Lilia Ford, and thank you for joining me. Today I would like to share with you about the power of word. And the power of words that we use every day is relevant to how we live our lives. So, how did God create this world? He created it with His words. And the most powerful tool that He has left us with are our words. So, today I just wanted to share with you what I am like with how I speak. Sometimes I forget to say words that will affect the way I'm going to speak. Well, if I say, oh, I'm going to have a terrible day today because of this, and then you've spoken it, and that's exactly what's going to happen, is that you are going to have a terrible day. So, always be mindful of how we use our words, because they're so powerful. If God could create the world with His words, what can we create with ours? So we can create our lives and how we want it to be. So whatever we say for today is going to impact our future. So if we're going to say, tomorrow I'm going to have a great day, or tomorrow everything's going to work out well, or tomorrow I'm going to do this, and you do it, and these are the kind of things that I'm saying, like tomorrow, you can use those words so that it becomes effective and powerful in our everyday life. So I will use an example of how I was saying something one day, and I said, I'm going to have a terrible, terrible day because I did not play so well with my darts, because I play darts. And that's exactly what happened. I had a terrible, terrible day, just because my practice wasn't up to what I wanted to, and it's exactly what I predicted. I said, I'm going to have a terrible day at darts on Saturday, and sure enough, that's what happened. So I'm just going to change my words from now on, and whatever I'm going to do, I'm going to change it and just say, I'm going to have a good game, or I'm going to win my game. And how are you going to win it? So in clarify exactly how are you going to win it. Are you going to peg it at what point or mark? So I'm using the darts because that's what I seem to always get myself down on with the dart team. So as of today, I'm going to say that I'm going to have a good game of darts, and I'm going to always peg each number that, if I'm going to peg a double, it's always going to be that number that I'm going to peg, and I'm going to peg it to win the game. So there I will change my words and say that. When I walk my dogs as well, I have two dogs, Puppy and Severe. So every time, even before I head off, I'm always dreading the walk, because straight away I'm thinking and saying, oh, Severe and Puppy, you better be good, because I know as soon as you see a dog, you're going to run after it. You see, I've already predicted it with my words and saying, as soon as they see another dog, they're going to run after it. So my words are going to change. So they're going to say, Severe and Puppy are not going to run after dogs. They're going to have a nice walk. Three of us are going to have a nice walk today, and when they see other dogs, they're not going to run after it. They'll just look at it and then carry on their merry way. So I'm just going to change that. I mean, walking your dogs could be a little thing to us, it wouldn't mean much to us or some people, but to me it means a lot, because I'd love to enjoy my walk. And with my dogs on one hand, on each hand, it's really, as soon as they see another dog, it's like one this way, one that way, one's going this way and the other one going that way. So it really just changes everything for a nice, peaceful walk in the morning. So I have to change my words or my way of thinking as well, and say, okay, today I'm going to walk the dogs, and we're going to have a lovely walk, and they are not going to bark at any of the dogs they see. They don't bark at people, but they bark at the dogs. So changing those words is going to make a big difference to me. And every little thing that I say that I'm going to do on the day, I don't get it done. So another thing is procrastinating. I say, okay, this is what I'm going to do today. So I have a list of things that I need to do. I'll list it all down. And then it comes the day, I'm practically doing something totally different from what I had already planned. So say it out loud. Say, this is what I'm going to do. Not just writing it down, but write it. Say it. Say, today, number one, I'm going to finish off writing, or finish off the letter that I started yesterday, or finish off writing out this other form that I had started filling out. Whatever it is, just get things done. Today, everything you do, say it. As you're writing it down, say it as well, because it helps to say it. And so this is what I've learned today by listening to Terry Savelle. She's so awesome. She's wonderful in how she speaks about the things that we need to do. And from a woman's perspective to another woman, it's more, I can understand her more in the way that she speaks. So thank you, Terry Savelle, for that. That is my lesson for today, is to make sure that I speak out everything that I want to do. Speak it out. Say it out loud. This is how I'm going to pay this off, or this is what I want to do with this project. I'm going to start painting today. I'm going to start sketching today. I'm going to prioritize everything, but saying it makes it more better also than writing it down, because if you speak it out loud, then you are saying it out there, and it's words. It's not thinking, it's not writing it down, but speaking the words make a big difference. And also I love the way she spoke about saying, exactly, it's what I do, but sometimes I forget to do it. Thank God first before you even ask. Thank God that this is going to happen. Thank God, for whatever you are praying to God about. Just thank God for the healing. Thank God for that healing. Thank God for helping to sell this house. Or these little things to us is a big difference in our lives. If we just speak it out and say it. So today I am going to write it down, but say it as well. So today I'm going to wash Puppy. Tomorrow I'm going to wash Savia. So all these things, I could write it down, but saying it makes a difference. Creating our own lives so that we can live a better life in a way that everything is done step by step. If we do things step by step, it's awesome. So another thing she said is to clarify exactly what time these things you want to happen. Clarify them. Make sure that you're precise about it. What day tomorrow are you going to take the car to this person? Make sure that even these little things that are minor things, what day exactly, what time, what day, and is it the morning, the afternoon? So how are you going to get there? So I'm so thankful. I'm very grateful to have, because when we watch these people, a lot of them are self-motivational speakers. They're speaking to us. We're not reading. I mean, sorry for those that are impairment of hearing, but for those of us that are listening to the actual word that they're saying, they're speaking it. So they're speaking into our spirit. They're speaking into us. Just like us, we're going to speak unto people. So we're going to say, like our friends, to speak unto our friends and say they are going to, have something wonderful happening in their lives. And we're speaking into their life, we just name them as well. Name them. Name the people. Name the family members. Name who it is that you want to speak into their life. And it'll be amazing. Name the problem as well. Name what it is. I love the part when she spoke about how she received her 25th anniversary wedding ring, that she spoke life into it and said, this is the ring that I'm going to get for my 25th anniversary. So speak into what we want to create in our life and what we want. Speak into it and put action behind it and how we're going to achieve it and how we're going to do it. So it's a very simple thing. The most powerful tool that God has blessed us with is the words that we use to create our lives. And like I said, be careful of how we use our words. Don't use words like, I'm going to have a heart attack if this happens, like we're just saying what other people are saying, but things like that, you never know. That's why I'm always careful. I never say these kind of things because I know that part, but sometimes I need to be reminded because we're surrounded by a lot of people sometimes that use that kind of phrase, or someone's speaking into our lives and saying something about us, and I would just rebuke it. I would just say, no, that's not me. I would just say, no, I'm not, that's not going to happen to me. So I would just carry on and just believe in myself that I'm this beautiful being. I'm not talking about my, physical in a way, but the whole person that I am, inside and out, in saying that, in saying you have a beautiful body, to say this healthy body, and you're keeping it fit, you're looking after it, you're nurturing it, you're keeping yourself healthy, you're eating well, you're looking good, you're toning your body, you're going out and keeping yourself fit, you're exercising. You're just saying all these things, and it's amazing how it does happen. I do go for my bike rides on Saturday mornings. I love that, and I love getting up for my walks every morning, which is taking my puppies. And I'm saying that, I'm declaring it now to say within myself that I know how I'm keeping myself well in tune with my body. That's it. Well, keep in tune with your body. And don't believe what other people are going to say or what they say about you or how you look. Believe in what you believe in yourself. Believe in yourself and the words that you can speak to yourself and say, I have a healthy body. I have a really good mind. I'm quite wise in the decisions that I make. I'm very happy actually with how things are happening in my life. And you have no one else to answer to but yourself, because you're speaking it to yourself. So thank you for joining me again. These are just the things that I love to share with others of what I have listened to, and also being reminded of how to keep a positive mind about everything and using positive words about ourselves or how we speak unto others. And I need reminding that sometimes, because sometimes I do veer off that way. It depends on like I said again, the environment of people that you are out with. So I need to be reminded how to speak if it's not a good moment. Speak unto that moment and say, it's a great moment. I'm enjoying myself. This is a great party, or this is a great meeting, or this is a great social event, or this is a great preaching. And, everything can be wonderful as long as we keep it wonderful with the words that we speak unto others. We speak life into people. We lift them up. If they're saying something about themselves, oh, I'm not this great, you're the person to lift them up. And that's what I believe we're all here on this planet for, is to support each other in any way we can. It's to support each other, to lift each other up, to lift the spirit of someone else up, if they're down. We are here to lift each other up and support each other in the best possible way we can. And my saying has always been, treat others like how you would like to be treated. And I just want to say thank you again for joining me, and hope to see you again on my next video. I have a subscription page here as well that you can click onto, a button, and also there's a link below this video that if you want to check it out, you're welcome to. But I will see you again on my next video, and I hope you have a fantastic